Hi everybody, welcome to Number Train. My name is Annette and today I'm going to take you on an imaginary train. It's an imaginary train called the Number Train. So if you haven't been on the train before, watch out boys and girls because we're ready to have lots and lots and lots of fun. If you have been on the train before and you know me, then listen out for your name or your group, because I'm going to say hello to everybody just like we do on Number Train. And I'm going to start off by saying hello to all the boys and girls that go to Little Explorers of Cookridge Preschool. So can we have a big wave, boys and girls? All the Little Explorers children, hi! And then I'd like to say hi to all the boys and girls that come to my sessions on a Monday, a Tuesday or a Wednesday in Horsforth. Hi! And then hello and hi to all the boys and girls that come to my sessions on a Thursday at Oakwood. Hi! And finally, the boys and girls who come to my sessions on a Friday at Cookridge Village Hall. Hi everyone! So before we move on, let's say hello to all the other boys and girls who haven't been on the Number Train before. Hi everyone! And anybody who came on the Number Train before. Maybe they came on the Number Train before they started school. So welcome back everybody that came before. Hi! Now before we go onto our train song today, we must say hello to all the grown-ups because I do miss seeing all the grown-ups that come to my sessions as well. So a big hi to you all, and I miss you all lots as well as the children. Just having that adult interaction really does make a big difference. And finally, a big hello to all the boys and girls and all my family and friends across the country, maybe in different countries who are watching as well today. So all my family and all my friends who are having a good laugh today, watching me in my Number Train hat. Hi everyone. Okay, now today we're going to show you all what we do at Number Train. So at Number Train we go on our journey, and we go on a different journey each week. And today we're going to have a look and see if our friends Norman and Nancy are ready. This, boys and girls, is Norman. Now just like lots of people at the moment, he could do with a bit of a haircut, couldn't he? This is Norman, and Norman is going to wave. Can you wave back? Hi! Now Norman is our train driver and he normally sits at the front of the train. And this, boys and girls, is Nancy. Nancy is Norman's friend and she goes everywhere on the train as well, and she is the one that looks after the suitcase. And each week in the suitcase are some different clues about where we are each week. So Nancy and Norman are coming on our train today. I'm going to pop them there, all right? But we've also got some other people on our train today, and our passengers today are not the boys and girls, because you're all at home. Our passengers today, sitting on our train, are animals. Would you like to see them? Number one is Penguin. Can you see Penguin is holding the ticket number one, and he is sitting on number one. Over here we've got Elephant, and Elephant is on number two. And on number three is a tiger. Rah! On number four is an owl. And on number five is our lion. Rah! Now boys and girls, we've got our train song today, and today we're going to do our train song with our arms as usual. And our arms, boys and girls, go round and round. So we're using all our big muscles, big arms. Well done. Now in our train song, sometimes we need our whistle sounds, or our choo, choo, choo. We also need to know how to go forwards. So when you make sure you're on your bottom, and if you go forwards, lean forwards. And then when you go backwards, lean backwards, so your arms go the other way, and lift up your legs in the air. So it's just your bottom that's balancing on the floor. And then when the song says to go fast, make your arms go as fast as they can. And then when they go slow, make your arms go as slow. Slow, slow, that it's almost not moving at all. Very good. And at the end, we're going to do some counting. So our counting today, we're going to use our fingers. And this is a really important skill for when you go to big school. Are you ready? Let's see if you can show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one finger pops up at a time. Okay. Shall we see if we can go with the actions? Are you ready? It's a new song, boys and girls. nobody has heard it before. It's a new song that I've written that has Norman and Nancy in, which is good, isn't it? And it also has all the same actions as before, forwards and backwards, fast and slow. So it's easy, okay? I'm sure you can join in and help as well. So when you hear the music, see if you can join in with the actions. Are we ready?
1, 2, 3.
Big arms. All aboard the number train, off on a journey we go again. Norman and Nancy are on board too. Number train goes choo choo choo. Moving forwards and off we go. Where are we going? We don't know. Moving backwards, 1, 2, 3. Can you balance just like me? All aboard the number train, off on a journey we go again. Norman and Nancy are on board too. Number train goes choo choo choo. Moving quickly along the line, quickly, quickly we must be on time. Moving slowly round the bend, slowly, slowly we're near the end. All aboard the number train, off on a journey we go again. Norman and Nancy are on board too. Number train goes choo choo choo. Can you count to 10 with me? Use your fingers, watch and see. Up pops numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All aboard the number train, off on a journey we go again. Norman and Nancy are on board too. Number train goes choo choo choo. Number train goes choo choo choo. Well done, boys and girls. Give yourself a really, really big clap. Now, because that's our new song, I'd like you to see if you could practice that so you can watch it as many times as you like and do the actions as well. You can even line up all your teddies and make seats and tickets for them so that you can make your own number train while we're not going to be able to get together. Okay, so that when we come together again, hopefully we'll all know the new song and we'll all be ready to sing it together. Okay, so it's now time for us to go and do some art and craft. Normally we look inside the suitcase, but because we are doing our sessions on the video instead, we're doing it a little bit differently. So we're going to go straight over to do the art and craft. So have you got your ears ready for listening and your eyes ready for watching, so that when you go to do your activity, you know what to do. We want to make you as independent as possible, and that means doing things on your own. So are you ready, boys and girls? Give me a thumbs up if you are. Well done. Thumbs up, everybody. Fantastic. So let's go. Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to be making a number train, and a number train is something we use in our sessions to help us with our counting. So when you make your number train, at the end it can be something you can use to do some counting, just like I'm going to show you now. We always start over on the left with our number 1, and we count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And when we do our counting, boys and girls, we make sure that we point with our pointing finger onto each number, and we move our finger each time. Let's try going backwards. Are you ready? Put your finger on number 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that, boys and girls, is called one-to-one counting. And it's good, children, to see the numbers so that you know what they look like, but also good to make sure that we only move our finger when we say each number name. So today, to make our number train, we are going to use a piece of paper. And if the grown-ups can draw a nice big line on the piece of paper for you. So we start off over on the left, and a nice wiggly line that goes all the way down but not too close to the bottom, and you'll see why in a minute, and then all the way back up to the other end. And then the children can have a go at tracing over your line with their pen. My pen's running out, but you get the idea that we travel along the line, and again we're showing the children how to draw over those lines. Okay, now if your child is going to school in September and you might be concerned about their pen grip, do not worry, they will all get there in their own time. But this is one tip that I found really helpful, and I showed a lot of the parents in my groups. And basically all you do is you place the pen or the pencil, whatever they're using, on the end of the table with the nib facing towards you, and you take your thumb and your finger, and then you hold the pen with your thumb and your finger. You pinch it, and then you pick it up, and you turn your wrist over and the pen is in position. It doesn't always work, and obviously the stronger their hands are, the easier it will be. Okay, so let's just follow that line all the way to the end. Ta-da! Finished. Okay, now what we need to do is stick on our numbers. So today we're going to make a number train that looks like this by the end, okay? And you can see that our number train has different numbers all the way up to number 10, and each carriage has a number, and each carriage has 2 wheels. So I'll show you quickly how to do that. So I've used some cardboard and I've cut out some rectangles for the boys and girls to use. So we've got our different numbers, and so we need to find the first number on our number train, which is number 1. Okay, and we need to find number 1 in here. I wonder if anybody can see which one is number 1. Can anybody see it? Yay, well done. So number 1 is this one. So we put a little bit of glue just onto the back. I'm using PVA glue, but any glue that you've got, Pritt stick or whatever, is absolutely fine. And pop your number 1 onto the track. So just like that. And we start off over here on the left. Again, I've used a little dot, which always helps to show them where to start. Okay, and then one by one, place them in position. So now we need number 2. Now if you're not sure, we can have a look on our number line. And we've got number 2. Okay, can anyone see number 2? So we're doing a little bit of number matching. Good look at it. Well done. Number 2 is this one here. So one by one, taking the numbers, placing them onto our train. So you get the idea. 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now once you've got all your numbers in position and you've stuck them all down, give yourself a little clap, because that was fantastic. And putting them in order is very, very tricky. So if they are finding it hard, please do not worry. Just let them have a little look, maybe at a ruler that's got numbers on, or write the numbers out for them so they've got something to give them a bit of a guide, okay? Now lots of children need to see numbers hundreds and hundreds of times before they can actually recognise them, so please do not worry. Okay, now we've got 2 more pieces left. We've got a little tiny one, which is a square, and we've got another one, which is a rectangle. Okay, so we're going to put the little square and the little rectangle onto our train as well. So we're going to stick them on. All right, mine's a bit hanging on the end there. That's not good, is it? All right, and then we're going to give our train some steam or some smoke coming out of the top. So lots and lots of steam and smoke coming out using our little sponge. If you haven't got a sponge, you could use a potato or something else to do some stamping. All right, okay, see what you can find, maybe like a cotton pad or something similar like that, just they've got that pressing action. Okay, so we've got our steam or our smoke coming out, we've got our numbers, there's something missing. Can you see what we need to add to our train? This train has something which is black, and they are circle shapes. That's right, they're wheels. So we need to put our finger this time to make some little black wheels, which when we use our fingertip makes a nice circle shape, and we just place our 1, 2 wheels under each carriage. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one, 1, 2. Okay, so boys and girls, our train is now finished. I'm sure yours will look much better than mine when you're finished. And if you want to, and if you think you enjoyed that, you could even have a go at making it even longer. So this is my train. I'm going to make it even longer by adding on numbers 11, and 12, and 13, and so on, 14, and you can go as long and as far as you wish to. Okay, boys and girls, so that's our number train activity today. It's to use for helping you with your counting, just like I said before, counting forwards, so you've got something to use, and then counting backwards. All right, if you want to have a go at making your own number train with all your teddy bears and things, you can have a go at doing that too. All right, enjoy, that's the most important thing, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.